Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another two-page layout today. These are photos from my granddaughter's birthday. And this is her actual birthday. She had a family birthday party as well with like grandparents. But this is just with her immediate family on her birthday. So as the kids get older on their birthdays, if it's not like a weekend, they get like a cupcake or, something like that to mark the fact that it's their birthday. Their actual birthday. It's probably more important with the oldest one because he would know. So, and I loved the darling pictures of her with her necklace. She is all about pink, sparkly, and accessories. All right. So I'm going to use two different pattern papers as backgrounds here and then figure out how to join the layout together because I don't really have enough room to be adding in extra pattern paper here. You saw me think about using washi tape, but I decided not to do it. So the pattern papers both come from the Crate Paper Hooray 12 by 12 pad, and then that Have a Happy Birthday cut apart is also from the cut apart from that same 12 by 12 pad. So they all work together, and the dark pink is kind of contained in the confetti paper on the other side. I love it that it is pink because not only is she wearing pink, but as I said, she is all about everything that's pink and sparkly right now, which is awesome. All right. So then I've got that down. Then I will add in the same, the photos on the other side in the same line, but I'm going to just kind of hand measure. I don't actually measure. There are so many photos on this layout that I'm really not going to need to embellish much. There's just not a lot of places for it other than more like in the blank spaces in the photo. So that was, I had to really think about that. How am I going to do that? Which is one of the reasons to begin with I was thinking about sort of putting the washi tape across because I thought I could maybe put some embellishments along that and then decided it would just take up too much room and I wouldn't see very much of the paper at all. As it is, I don't see much of the paper, but it would be even worse. So then I'm grabbing this chipboard from the Bella Boulevard Chow Chip Wish Big Icons, and this is a girl version. And I loved this cute little hippopotamus and her little tulle skirt. And then also there's that cute little cupcake. I liked this present quite a bit as well. Kind of playing with where that could go. Don't love those two together though because they're both dotted and the yellow is not as prevalent on this in that happy card. So then I found that flower and I like that. Putting that aside, found that present that's in the blue and kind of a red color. And then I found that one, the turquoise one, and I'm like, oh, perfect. That's great. And as I'm looking at this, the embellishments on the left side were light pink and the other two were the darker pinks and aqua. So I decided to balance out a little bit better and just added in like that. Again, I don't have to put much on this layout just because there's so many pictures, so much real estate taken up by the pictures. That's what I wanted to be able to say. Okay, so I'm off in search of something, and I don't remember exactly what it was here. Oh, these clips, because I knew that they were they're in one of my Schmel kits right now. So I love that cute little aqua bow. That would be a nice little addition and embellishment on the top up there. And because she wears bows in her hair quite often to keep it out of her face right now. If her hair is wet, it's very long, but it's so curly that you can't tell that, but it's in her face quite often. So she loves the bows, which is awesome too. So I'm just getting down this chipboard here and getting that down as well too. I don't want the edges sticking up on that because that paper is so thin. Adding adhesive to chipboard, which is a pretty common thing to do. Again, more edges down. white. And now I'm looking for like enamel dots that I can use. And I find these Queen and Company lollies. And they're in an aqua color. And I really, really like them because they just add something a little bit different. It's a birthday layout, so they're a little fun. So I'm having a hard time deciding where to put that one because I put the other one right on the line. So then I put it back on the sheet because then it's clear and I can see a little bit better. Okay, so add that one in there. Put that one down a little bit further, and then I have one extra one. So there's 4 lollies, and yay, 4 lollies for 4 embellishment spots, and I am done with that pack. It's always such a great feeling when you finish up a pack of embellishments. So then I'm thinking about enamel dots and trying to figure out what I want to do for enamel dots. And I find this Altenew Pocket Full of Sunshine enamel dots. The Altenew enamel dots now are my favorite enamel dots. They come basically one color but different shades and a huge amount of them. They're a little bit more expensive than kind of like your smaller packages of enamel dots, but you get so many. And then, so I will eventually convert my stash to that, but I do definitely have lots of enamel dots to go through first before I can do that. And I much prefer them like this than when they mix colors on a sheet. I tend to think of enamel dots as a color. And then if I want multicolors, because I tend to do what I did now, is I use mostly one color of enamel dots. Then I decided nowhere on here does it say that she's 3. So I grabbed this Ellie Studio Puffy Alphabet Sticker Alpha in kind of a turquoise color and put number 3 there. And then I thought, oh wait, let's put it on the present down here. It just was a cute little addition down there. That's the only reason I did it there. So there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye everybody.